Hey there everyone! Today we're diving into 5 easy and healthy meal prep ideas that are perfect for busy folks like you. And the best part? Each one can be prepared in under 10 minutes. So, let's get started! First up, the mighty quinoa salad. This little beauty is packed with protein and fiber to keep you full and energized all day long. We start with a base of fluffy quinoa. Now make sure you rinse it properly. Wouldn't want that bitter taste ruining our masterpiece. Next, we add a rainbow of chopped veggies: bell peppers, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, whatever you fancy. A handful of fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon, a drizzle of olive oil, and season it generously with salt and pepper. Give it a good mix, and you've got yourself a flavor bomb ready to go. Next up, a stir-fry that's faster than you can say takeaway menu. We're talking tender chicken, crisp veggies, and a killer sauce, all cooked in minutes. Start by dicing your chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. Now get that wok smoking hot and stir-fry those chicken pieces until golden brown. Add in your favorite veggies. I like to use broccoli florets, sliced carrots, and snap peas for that satisfying crunch. For the sauce, mix together soy sauce, honey, ginger, and garlic. Pour it over the chicken and veggies and stir-fry until everything is beautifully coated and cooked through. A sprinkle of sesame seeds for that final touch, and you've got yourself a restaurant-quality meal in no time. Chapter 3. Overnight Oats Breakfast of Champions. Now, let's talk about breakfast. We're ditching those sugary cereals and starting the day right with overnight oats. It's ridiculously easy to make and keeps you full until lunchtime. Grab a jar and add in rolled oats, chia seeds, a dollop of yogurt, your choice of milk, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Give it a good stir, pop it in the fridge overnight, and boom! Breakfast is sorted. Get creative with your toppings. Fresh fruit, a sprinkle of granola, a dollop of nut butter. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 4. Veggie Wraps Your Way. Let's be honest, sometimes you just crave a good wrap. But instead of reaching for those greasy takeout options, we're making our own healthy and delicious versions. Grab your favorite whole wheat tortillas and load them up with hummus, avocado slices, crunchy lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and any other veggies your heart desires. For an extra protein punch, add in some grilled chicken or tofu. Roll them up tight, and you've got yourself a satisfying and portable meal. Chapter 5. Smoothie Packs, Blending Made Easy. Last but not least, we're tackling those on-the-go mornings with smoothie packs. These little beauties are a lifesaver when you're short on time. Portion out your favorite fruits and veggies into individual freezer bags. Think spinach, kale, berries, mango, whatever takes your fancy. Add a scoop of protein powder if you like, seal those bags tight, and chuck them in the freezer. When you're ready for your smoothie, simply toss a bag's contents into your blender with some liquid of your choice and blitz until smooth. A quick, nutritious, and delicious breakfast on the fly. Outrow meal prep like a boss. There you have it. 5 incredibly easy and delicious meal prep ideas that even the busiest person can manage. Remember, a little bit of planning goes a long way when it comes to healthy eating. Now I want you to get in that kitchen and give these recipes a try. And don't forget to let me know how you get on in the comments below. I want to hear all about your culinary triumphs. If you enjoyed these quick and easy recipes, hit that subscribe button for more delicious and healthy meal ideas. Until next time, happy cooking!